My name is Cameron Eichler. I have owned and operated a hearing clinic for a number of years. I've known Josh for a long time. When I started this business about 7 years ago, he helped me kind of with the initial design, logo, things like that. That was a great experience. Recently, just worked on another project with him, and all the way around, it was an excellent experience. First of all, he's super consultative. And so I never felt like he was trying to sell me anything or he was trying to like sell me his thing, but rather he did extremely well to just listen to me and to understand kind of what I was looking for and hoping for. And honestly, I didn't even know exactly, like I had an idea, I had maybe a higher level idea, but he helped me to kind of ask really good questions and rein it in and understand what I was going for. He was super clear up front to say, okay, what's your goal? What's the outcome that we're going for? And what specifically are my deliverables going to be? The more we worked together, the more confident I felt about achieving the outcome that we were going for. He understands the entrepreneurial life and journey and, being a business owner. There's a couple things that I'm good at, and there's a lot of things that I'm really not very good at all. But I have to kind of wear all the hats, right? So to partner with somebody that's super competent in marketing and messaging, and then in the technical stuff, like the technical details of how the websites work or how the video works. And he can see things and quickly just say, that's not going to work, or you got to change this thing. It was a good process and my confidence just grew. And then we were able to hit the outcome. So, I can't say enough good stuff about working with Josh. I continue to work with him even now on a new project. He's a great partner for a business owner, for a small business owner when it comes to some of the things of marketing, whether it's an individual campaign, something new that you want to do, different than what you've done before, or, from a marketing strategy perspective where he's going to kind of look at just the website and say, let's walk through this together, right? What are you communicating to your market? And then being clear about the little things along the way that really make a huge difference. But as a business owner, we might just kind of say, well, yeah, that's maybe kind of broken. I don't really have time to deal with it. So a super good partner around those things. Anyway, I would highly recommend working with Josh. Just visit with him and you'll get a sense of the things that I'm saying, and he'll help you to kind of hit those goals that you have and grow your business.